Hi, I'm Adishwar.
And I am Darsh. We are from Bebop Graphic Design second year. We are the creators of Dinesh. My focus on building the visual direction for Dinesh. I worked on shaping the brand's clean, minimal and modern design style by refining the brand element and overall presentation.
My role was to support the design flow and bring consistency to Dinesh.
In a world driven by motion,
Time deserves a design that moves with purpose.
before we show you the world we created, let's start with the foundation what Dinesh today is. Dinesh is a luxury watch brand crafted around one core idea. Motion defines identity. Every design, color, and detail reflects the energy of movement.
And what makes Dinesh different is that it blends cinematic design with technical precision. It's not just a watch, it's a lifestyle in motion. And to build a brand with purpose, we need clarity.
That clarity begins with our brand guidelines. Dinesh stands for ambition, precision, and modern luxury. It represents people who move with intention.
Our vision is simple redefine luxury through motion, make every second feel alive.
Our mission is to create timepieces that are bold in design, rich in storytelling, and engineered with depth. The Dinesh emblem is built around the principle of kinetic flow. The curves represent motion, and the stroke represents direction.
Our system includes a primary mark, word mark, monogram, and dark and light variants built for versatility.
It follows a geometric grid inspired by movement arcs, ensuring balance and consistency.
Our palette is electric blue for energy, matte blacks for luxury, and metallic accents for precision.
We paired Orbitron and Poppins to combine futuristic form with modern minimalism. Once the identity was locked,
We shape the emotion behind the brand.
our mood boards explore motion, shadow, blue energy, and mechanical precision.
This helped us craft the world Dinesh exists in cinematic, bold, and powerful. With the identity complete,
It was time to bring the watches to life. Introducing the Dinesh watch series, Dinesh Orbit. Orbit represents simplicity in motion, clean, minimal, and modern. Dinesh Vortex embodies energy, a dynamic, futuristic design with elevated personality. Dinesh Flow, and Flow is smooth, elegant, and seamless, the lifestyle watch of the series. But Dinesh also expand into deeper craftsmanship.
and that's where Dynamic enters. Dynamic Core Automatic. Core Automatic is precision exposed, raw mechanics, and luxury engineering. Axis carries a bold, structured, and industrial presence. Dynamic Eclipse. An eclipse brings contrast, shadow, depth, and refined detail. And combining the spirit of Dinesh,
With the mechanics of Damic, we created something special. The Pulse Fusion Drive Edition is a collaboration model that blends creativity with engineering. A watch built around rhythm, symmetry, and mechanical brilliance. But we didn't stop there.
we pushed boundaries further.
Dual core represents dual personality design plus engineering fused into one. It's our artistic and mechanical worlds coming together. Now that the product were ready,
We built the Dinesh universe around them.
packaging. Premium matte black packaging with metal accents.
Store interiors, a modern retail experience with blue ambient lighting and mechanical displays.
Business cards and accessories. Every touchpoint follows the same motion driven language. And no brand is complete without a digital presence.
So, we built the Dinesh website. The website mirrors our identity minimal, sharp, and cinematic.
Every scroll feels like entering the Dinesh world. And for our flagship movement,
We created something special.
Apex Drive is our special edition inspired by Formula One technology. Speed, aerodynamics, precision, a watch built for performance at its peak.
But we didn't stop at the watch.
We imagined Dinesh as an official F1 partner.
We designed trackside ads, banners, garage graphics, and race day branding.
We even imagined trophy ceremony branding and broadcast graphics. This showcase the global potential of Dinesh.
Dinesh isn't just a watch brand.
It's a world built on motion,
Motion shapes everything.
and we decide to shape motion into design. And this is just the beginning.